That's it. No, that's not.
Whoa, it don't even count.
I got you, bro. Thank you. Thank you. Chris, help me. Get out. Fuck you, bitch. What the fuck?
Show the boys what it's like. Ooh, did you hear that? Ah, yeah. How heavy is that, huh? Ah, you little horsey.
Almost a 200,000 largest
It was at this moment the marshal knew. He fucked up.
Of course it hurts. Of course it's fire. Of course it's pain. Of course it's...
Jesus Christ.
I can handle it. I know what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing. Oh, God, that hurts. Oh, God, I'm so tired. Oh, God, I didn't want...
What was the problem?
I broke my back.
What do you mean by that? You broke...
My back is broken.
What, a vertebrae or what portion?
Spinal.
I don't got no type. Nah. Bad bitches is the only thing that I like. You ain't got no life. Nah. Cups with the ice and we do this every night. Hey.
I still got it. Ain't nothing went nowhere. You just better with it. You know what I mean?
No, nigga! Looking more in shape than ever.
Yeah.
People might bounce coins off you.
Yeah, you know, the pecs and the, you know.
No, nigga!
Bitch, what the fuck you doing? What the fuck you mean what I'm doing? Is you really going through my son's toy phone? I don't give a fuck if this is a motherfucking toy phone. You probably been calling a motherfucking bitch off this damn phone. You think I'm stupid. Really, bitch? How? Keep playing with me, motherfucking. I'm gonna show your ass how to skin a motherfucking potato. Who the fuck you think I'm gonna call, dude?
Way with 50 bricks, got no Spanish gas. Whipping the brick, 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 whipping the brick.